Students, next we are going to learn about another important salt of the family, uh, family of sodium. Okay, there are so many salts of sodium family. So we have already learned one salt, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next we are going to learn about another salt that is important salt of the family. What? Sodium. It is also called as washing soda. We are going to call it as washing soda. Washing soda. Okay. Or we are also going to call, now I am going to write its chemical formula. Chemical formula. Already all of you know that the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. So I will tell why I have taken 10H2O. Usually we are going to say that the chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3. But actually its chemical formula is Na2CO3. But commonly we are going to use Na2CO3 plus 10H2. Next its chemical name. What is the chemical name of washing soda? Chemical name. The chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Remember students, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Why you have taken decahydrate? Because 10 water molecules are there. So hence we are going to name it as sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10. Decahydrate. Okay. This is the chemical name of what? Sodium washing soda. Okay. Next, we are going to know about the preparation, how it is going to be prepared. Preparation. So before going preparation, I am going to tell about the history of this washing soda. So in washing soda is used in India from long ago. From long ago, we are going to using this washing soda in the form of, in Hindi we are going to call it as Ray and Sajji. Sajji. In Kannada we are going to call it as, in our Hyderabad, Karnataka area we are going to call it as what? Savlu. Savlu mann ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. So we are using that from ancient times for washing the what? Utensils, ಪಾತ್ರೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಳೆಯಲು, and washing the cloths, or for the purpose of cleaning. We are going to use the a type of soil known as what? ಸವಳು ಮಣ್ಣು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. So that ಸವಳು ಮಣ್ಣು is nothing but washing soda. It is going to be, its main content is washing soda or sodium carbonate decahydrate, because it is going to be containing 10 molecules of water. So how it is going to be prepared, now we are going to know about that one. So sodium hydrogen carbonate is also going to be prepared from what? So sodium carbonate is going to be prepared from sodium hydrogen carbonate. First, while telling the preparation or writing the preparation, first we should tell the preparation of sodium hydrogen carbonate, and after that we are going to tell that how washing soda is going to be generated or prepared from sodium hydrogen carbonate. First I am going to write stepwise. First step, when the solution of when the solution of sodium chloride sodium chloride reacts with reacts with ammonia and carbon dioxide gas. First we are going to get we are going to get we are going to get what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, and another salt is ammonium chloride and ammonium chloride. Okay, so first we are going to write the reaction. NaCl plus NH3 plus CO2 plus H2. Okay, when all these react together, they are going to give sodium hydrogen carbonate plus what is going to be formed? Ammonium chloride is going to be formed. Okay, this is the first step. Next, this first step is going to be learned by us in the what? Preparation of baking soda. Isn't it, students? We are going to heat this what? Upon heating.
Yes, sir.
Next, we are going to know upon heating.
Yes, sir.
Upon heating, this baking soda, or is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. We get what? Sodium carbonate. Okay, sodium carbonate. First, we are going to write the reaction. NaHCO3. When it is heated, heat in the on the reaction we have to write heat. It is heated. What we are going to get? Na2CO3 plus carbon dioxide gas is released plus water is going to be released. You can test in your house, students. Take a small bit of sodium hydrogen carbonate in a test tube. It is going to be available in all houses because we are commonly using sodium hydrogen carbonate in all houses. If you are having a test tube, you can take a spoon of what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate in test tube and slowly heat it on the what? Bunsen burner or your burner. So it directly converts, it releases carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Then water molecules are going to be attached to the what? Water molecules are attached to sir. ಸರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡೆದದ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಯೇನ್ರಿ ಬರೋಣ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. So the release of water molecules are going to be observed. They are going to be attaching to the surface of the test tube. Small as a water droplets, they are going to be attaching to the test tube. By this, we are going to confirm that water is going to be released. So this is the second step. Next, what we are going to do? Third step. When this sodium carbonate so now it is not called as sodium carbonate, it is called as soda ash. It is called as soda ash, ASH. Soda booದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So when sodium carbonate is dissolved in water, we are going to get concentrated solution on cooling. Concentrated solution of sodium carbonate Na2CO3 dot 10H2O on cooling. Okay. So for this also we have to write the reaction. 3 marks question, students. Remember, this is very important. This is a 3 marks question. When sodium carbonate is reacted with water, 10 molecules of water. So what we are going to get directly? We are going to get Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. So this is nothing but sodium carbonate decahydrate. Because water molecules are going to be combining with sodium carbonate, that is soda ash. Okay. So like this we are going to prepare sodium hydrogen carbonate. So next we are going to know about the properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate. First I am going to tell properties. Lastly you can take what I am going to be explaining. Okay. I am going to give you time for noting the notes. Okay. Properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Properties of washing soda. Okay. So what are the important properties of washing soda? So washing soda is a solid white crystalline solid. It is a white crystalline solid. So when we touch it with our fingers, we are going to feel the crystals to our fingers. Okay. Hence it is a white crystalline. It is white in color and it is crystalline in nature. When we want to make it fine powder, it is not possible because it is always remaining in the form of crystalline only. So then the second property is going to be, it is soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water. Okay, you can test in your house. Take a glass of water and add a 1 or 2 tablespoon of what, washing soda, and stir it. Then it is going to be what, dissolving. Okay. Third property, its solution in water is a alkaline solution. Okay, when it mixes with water, it is going to give what type of solution? It is going to be a alkaline solution. Okay, that means its pH is more than 7. Alkaline solution, what is the alkaline or basic solution? Its pH is more than 7. Okay, if the pH is more than 7, then those solutions are called as what, alkaline solutions. Next, it is also sodium hydrogen, sodium carbonate is also, or washing soda is also alkaline in nature. Next, upon heating, when we heat washing soda, upon heating it is loses molecules of water. It loses. So what it contains? Na2CO3 dot 10H2. Okay. So when we heat this, these 10 molecules of waters are going to be lost from what? Sodium carbonate. Okay. Upon heating, it loses molecules of water. How many molecules of water it is going to lose? Molecules of water and become soda ash. Okay. And become soda ash. Soda ash is nothing but sodium carbonate. Only simple sodium carbonate. Okay. So this is the another important property. Next, fifth property we are going to learn. It has the property. It has the property to remove dirt. Okay, it has the property to remove dirt from cloths. Okay, hence it is called as what, washing soda. Hence it is called as washing soda. Washing soda. Before the manufacture of soaps, in all the world, only washing soda is used for what? Washing the clothes. Okay. So these are the some important properties of what? Washing soda. Next, we are going to know about the applications. It has very wide variety of applications, sir. There are uses. So I am going to write applications or uses. Applications or uses of washing soda. Okay. Friends, all of you are listening or only sleeping? All of you are active or not? Okay. Then I will ask after this, I will ask the questions. Okay. I am going to check who are active or who are inactive. Okay.
Listening, sir.
Who are
Listening,
the
sir.
noble metals and who are the active metals. Okay. I will check afterwards. So next, uses of washing soda. First one I am going to tell. It is used. It is used in the manufacture of, very important use, in the manufacture of glass. Remember students, this is very important. So how glass is prepared? Glass is prepared from fine sand which is going to be available on the seashore. Have you seen that? the sand which is present on the seashore, it is going to be very fine and white in color. When definite proportions of washing soda and sand is going to be mixed and heated at a definite temperature, they are going to give what? Glass. Okay, so the glass is one of the important daily material which are going to be used in our daily life. Okay, so next, second one, it is used in the preparation of soap. Soaps are going to be prepared from what? Soaps, comma, paper industry. They are also used in the manufacture of papers. Okay, and also chemicals like, and also chemicals, some chemicals like caustic soda. What is this caustic soda? What is the chemical name? Can anybody? Sodium hydroxide. It is nothing but sodium hydroxide. Okay. Okay. Then borax. Borax is also a compound of what? Sodium hydrogen, sodium carbonate. Its formula is Na2B4O7.
Sodium
So
hydroxide.
borax is also one of the important chemical which is going to be used in preparation of soaps and detergents. Okay, it is the raw material. So and baking soda and baking soda. It is. So noted. Second property application, it is used in the preparation of soaps, paper, and also chemicals like caustic soda, borax, and baking soda. Okay. So these are baking soda. From baking soda, we are going to prepare washing soda. From washing soda, we are going to prepare what? Baking soda. So next, third property. So third application, not property, third application. It is used in the cleaning agent of domestic purpose. It is used as a cleaning agent in domestic purpose. Domestic means household. Domestic purpose. So you can also prepare this. Have you seen the advertised Colin in the TV? Colin liquid. It is a spray. It is used to clean the glasses, usually glasses. So that Colin is prepared from sodium carbonate along with vinegar. When we mix definite proportions of washing soda and vinegar, what we are going to get? Colin like substance. It is going to be used for cleaning purposes of utensils and glasses. So that liquid is also used for cleaning the utensils. So have you seen the Vim liquid? Students, are you listening to? That Vim liquid contains nothing but washing soda and vinegar. So it has the property to clean the dirt and what oily substances. Okay. Next, it is used in the fourth important application is, it is used
Yes, sir.
in removing the hardness of water. Hardness of water. Okay. So there are two types of waters are present. Those are soft water and hard water. What are soft water? The water which gives foam easily with soap are called as what? Soft water. And the water which does not use any foam with water, then that water is called as what? Hard water. The hardness is due to the presence of some salts inside the water. So magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate. So magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, all these are the salts which are responsible for the hardness of water. So this washing soda has the capacity
Hard
to
water.
remove the salts which are going to be responsible for the hardness of water. Hence it is used in removing the hardness of water. This is another important application. Next, fifth one we are going to see that it is useful reagent in the laboratory. It is a useful reagent. It is a useful reagent in the laboratory. Okay. These are some important applications or uses of sodium carbonate or washing soda. So you can take down students now. Okay.